Alright guys, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We are full on Majestic PYT1. We got 3 cases to choose from. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the dice roll. We got 1 dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 3. We're going to do the middle case. Middle case. Alright guys, good luck. As you can see, case 3 for your teams are on the left. I will leave them up since it took a little while to fill up. No, Mike, she looked at him like he had like 5 heads. It was pretty funny. It was like that whole like cringe. He actually made that joke. Alex, is this going to be a Gouda break? Good. Hopefully. Hopefully we pull some heat. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Let's pull some heat out of this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all we're supposed to have. Good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. I haven't opened any of this personally, so you might have to bear with me on how these cards actually go. That is a chunky pack. Alright. We'll just do it this way first, and then we'll see what we got. Alright, first base card is 58 of 99 for the Eagles. R. Wilson on the board, very first hit. That is Zach Ertz-McGurts. These base cards are super nice. Zach Ertz. I got an autograph on the bottom, James. Or maybe I have it flipped over the wrong way. Theo Riddick for the Lions. Ruby base, 1 of 10. Lions are David Twombly. And we got Team Pedigree. Paul Perkins, 66 of 99 for the Giants. And David K, 66 of 99, 1 color. Yeah. And we got 1 color, 18 of 99, Team Pedigree for the Green Bay Packers. Kyle B, 18 of 99. And we have 1 color, 13 of 75, Showstoppers for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. The Buccaneers. Laser, 9431, 13 of 75. We got 1 color, 13 of 25. There is like a line there. Game worn. LaShawn McCoy for the Buffalo Bills. Umpire 2 higher, Joe. LaShawn McCoy. Team Pedigree, 37 of 49 for the New England Patriots. Patriots are Spider Soccer, Andrew. Jack, or John, not Jack, the Animal Hannah. Alright, we have a patch, 140 of 199, scripted swatches for the Seattle Seahawks. That is Alberta Dave. Amara DeBoer, at least I believe he is for the Seahawks. If I am wrong, please correct me. 2 color patch, 1 color patch. There is a seam on that left. Seam on the left. And we got a triple. 21 of 49, team sign. That's Alvin Kamara. He is a Saint. Josh Malone, which I do not know what team Josh Malone is off the top of my head. And Josh Dobson. 21 of 49, rookie triple. What team is Josh Malone on? Malone is Bengals. All right, so that's going to be Saints, Bengals, and Steelers. We'll do that random at the end. And for the Redskins, Astonishing Arms, 9 of 49. Redskins, last team taken in the break. A here in gold ink. Joe Theismann. Gold ink, 9 of 49. 9 of 49. A here in. Box 2. What's up, Bob? Astonishing leg break. You are ruthless, Mike. You are ruthless. Alright, our base is Leonard Floyd out of 99 for the Chicago Bears. That is John F. and the PC. John F. Leonard Floyd. And we have Doug Baldwin for the Seahawks. 66 of 99. One color jersey, Trevor Davis out of 99 for the Packers. Kyle B. Stacking those Packer hits already. One color for the Redskins, 22 of 75. Kirk Cousins. Showstoppers. These are really nice cards in person. Got another Mike Evans. That is 2 of 10. Two color patch material for the Bucks and laser 9431. And two color 10 of 10. You don't see too many Eli Manning patches. Eli Manning for David K. and the Giants. Two color team pedigree ruby. 10 of 10, and 10 is his jersey number. Jersey number 10 of 10, Eli Manning, two color patch. Got a redemption, a thick redemption. It is taco time. That is Jabril Peppers and Taco Charlton, 28 of 49. I know Taco is a cowboy. Jabril is a brown, I believe, right? Jabril is a brown. John F. is the Browns. Cowboys are Jeremy Tillman. So that's another random number 2 we got to do. 28 of 49. It is only a dual, not a quad. Gotta be a nice patch. 14 of 199. O.J. Howard. O.J. Howard is a buck. O.J. Howard is a buck. Two color patch autograph. He's a buck, right? I should know this by now. Because Njoku's a brown. OJ's a buck, I believe. Laser, killing it. For $199. Award winners. Mike Singletary, on-card autograph. 1985 Defensive Player of the Year. John, that top corner. That top corner got bent. PC, Mike Singletary for the Bears. That is a not numbered autograph. Not numbered autograph. And we'll use that for the redemption. Yeah, the award winner set is nice. Team Pedigree autograph gold. Card number 15. Russell Maryland. I'm going to have to look that up. Russell Maryland is a cowboy. Is a cowboy. Not yet, Frank. Russell Maryland is a Cowboy. All right, 3 boxes left. Des Bryant. 4/99, Des Bryant for the Cowboys. And for the Panthers, 18/99, Cam Newton. Cam Newton, 18/99 for the Panthers. You got Unsung Warriors out of 149, Teddy Bridgewater for Lincoln Webb and the Vikings. Lincoln Webb and the Vikings. Cole Beasley out of 149, all white. There is a patch in there. There is a jersey in there. As you can see the texture. 149 for the Cowboys. Cowboys are just destroy these cases. That's a nice patch. 10/25, Stephon Gilmore, 4-color. 4-color, 10/25 for the Buffalo Bills. Joe, umpire to higher. Nice chunky patch in there. White, red, black, and blue. Be a patch. Nice. 8/10. 3-color. 3-color player worn. Ouch. That says player worn. Barry Sanders. 2/10 for the Lions. And David Twombly. And team pedigree for the Steelers, 81/99 in Frank's face. Steelers are Clutch Sports. That is Ryan Shazier. Ryan Shazier. Nice 3-color patch here. 125/199, Elijah Hood. Elijah Hood. Elijah Hood is a Raider. Elijah Hood is a Raider. The Raiders are Rafferty. Raiders are Rafferty. And 1-color, 88/199, Joe Mixon, who is a Bengal. Joe Mixon is a Bengal. Bengals in this one. CWKA. Joe Mixon out of 199, 1-color. 1-color. And for the Kansas City Chiefs, Distinguished Defenders, 18/25, gold ink. That is Neil Smith. Here's the Chiefs. Stanimal. That's a gorgeous looking card. Nice bold auto, especially in gold. Neil Smith, 18/25. Why not, Frank? 2 boxes left. Still searching for that big quad or huge name autograph. We got a redemption. Redemption. Derek Carr for the Raiders. Derek Carr for the Raiders. Rafferty. That is 44/99, double jersey number. We got an Emerald for the Bills. LaShawn McCoy, 2/5. 2/5. Deion Jordan with that Panini chip at the bottom. Frank. And the Dolphins. Deion Jordan, Unsung Warriors. At a 125. At a 125. Dan Bailey, 75 of 75. Team pedigrees for the Cowboys. Alex, can you grab me thick sleeves? Marshall Faulk, 19 of 50. Exalted. One color, one color, one color. That looks like jersey number or sleeve. Same thing on the top one, and then it looks like sock or something. Sock or something. Kicker Moja. Rams are Dr. J. Jose. Team pedigree, 32 of 49 for the Bengals. CWKA. That is Giovanni Bernard. One color. Got one redemption. We got two redemptions because the bottom one is a redemption. Kareem Hunt out of 199, two color patch autograph. Kareem Hunt. Kareem Hunt is a Chief. Chief's doing well. Stanimal. And for the Rams, out of 199, one color. Scripted swatches from Eastern Washington University. Going to be a 6-slot receiver. Cooper Kupp. Alright, Redemption 1. Majestic Materials autograph. Card number 26. Jamison Crowder. Jamison Crowder. Is he still a Redskin? Yep, Jamison Crowder is still a Redskin. That's A. Heron. A. Heron. With the Redskins. And should be a big one. Let's hope. Wondrous Receivers Gold. Card 14. Tony Gonzalez. Tony Gonzalez. He's not a receiver. He's a tight end. They have him on the Chiefs in this. Checklist says Chiefs. I will double check that. Checklist says Chiefs. A. Heron again. A. Heron again. All right. It's called sarcasm, James. At 64.99, Jadeveon Clowney for the Texans. Travis Frederick, 8 of 75, team pedigree for the Dallas Cowboys. For the Texans, Jadeveon Clowney, 74 of 125. 74 of 125. 25 of 50, Icons Materials for the San Francisco 49ers. That is Jerry Rice for Frank the Bus. We got a patch, 40 of 75 for R. Wilson 78. That is Zach Ertz, 40 of 75. Little patch material there. They were over 100, I think, Dave. Because they have so many hits. Steve Grogan for the Patriots, Spider Soccer. Steve Grogan, 47 of 99. 19 of 49. David DeCastro, team pedigree. Team pedigree for the Steelers. Also for the Steelers, 28 of 99, two color. There is that little line there. Fight on. Juju Smith-Schuster for the Steelers and Clutch Sports. And wow. Peyton freaking Manning. 11 of 15. Astonishing arms for Tony Vallisnero and the Colts. That is a Colts card. Peyton Manning Gold Ink Astonishing Auto. That's dirty. Congrats, Tony. You're not even watching. You don't come in too often, so that'll be a surprise. Yep, Chiefs is Stanimal. Yeah. If I say something wrong, it always goes by the list. I have you down. You're next to the Chiefs. So it'll be yours. All right, guys, we got a couple randoms to do. We're going to do the cards and the break credit all on the same dice roll. So we're going to go Jabril Peppers. I'm just going to put in the names just because it'll be easier that way. Alright, this is for the dual Jabril Peppers Taco Charlton. So we'll do the $50 in break credit and the two cards. We're going to go, we're only going 2 times. Snake Eyes 2 times. Good luck, Jabril Peppers and Taco time. 1 and 2. Taco, Cowboys, take it down. Taco time. Alright, then we have the Kamara Malone Dobbs. Alright, good luck, guys. 2 times. No, there's a lot of guys that do Snake Eyes. 1 and 2. Josh Dobbs, Steelers. Steelers had a good break. All right, and we're going to go 2 times. 2 times on the break credits. Now we have all teams in. Vikings down at the bottom. Niners at the top. Top 2 each get $50 in break credit. 1 and 2. Congratulations to the Bucks and Ravens. Bucks are Laser 9431 and Ravens are Spider Soccer Andrew. Congrats, guys.